My name is Daniel Charri, and I talk about the typical festival of Neiva. The typical festival of Neiva is San Pedro. What is San Pedro? San Pedro is the traditional festival of Neiva. It's full of a surprise dance, music, gastronomic, and a lot of traditional culture. Esto de San Pedro is a start of is a start 30, 30 June and finally of 1 July. Esto, this is a typical traditional dance eh, culture traditional culture. Esto festival dance. Okay, the typical food in San Pedro is is a is the asado huilense. The asado huilense with consist a potato, meat, yuca and envuelto. This is esto this is a traditional food of San Pedro, asado huilense. Can I see? You can see the typical food: meat, potato, yuca or yuca. Mm, no more. The activity of San Pedro: the people can dance, drink, talk, with friends. Esto, see the desfile. mm, See the dance of Reina or a queen. Um, no more. Esto, the places tourist places. The typical, the most typical places are the Tatacoa Desert and San Agustin. I most the typical places of Neiva, the desert, the Tatacoa Desert is a beautiful place. You can see the animals, esto, uh, go to swimming pool, um, see the tree, cactus, um, um, the San Agustin is a traditional places because you can statue the different more the different statue the statues. You can go to is you can go to uh, reserva 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 de estatuas. I know remember of places. Um, you can see the stretch of the Magdalena and mm, and Cascada is a beautiful place. Thank you very much. Um, Goodbye.